Hey! What are those three doing? Guys? Guys? Guys! Unikitty, Puppycorn, Lil'Petey, can you hear me? Hello? Hello?
Huh? Toad, what do you want from us this time? Can't you see we're in our closet?
Yes? Wait, why are you guys in the closet for?
We're trying to see if there is anything we can wear for Halloween.
Huh? Halloween? That's not until October!
Well, October is this Thursday, and we want to get a head start on looking for the right costumes. In which we're going to give out some choices and you'll say either yes or no.
I ain't doing no such thing!
How about hula dancers?
No!
Maybe cowboys and cowgirls.
Nope!
Surfers?
No!
Maybe having me being a ballet dancer, and Puppycorn and Lil'Petey being mummies.
No!
How about cave kids?
No!
Or Unikitty being a jungle kid, Puppycorn being a sailor, and me being a magician.
No.
You know what? That's it! I quit! I don't want to be a part of this! Go like getting costumes yourselves! Huh?
Rude.
We'll just wait till the next day to look for costumes. Let's just play a game.